Well, hello there. I'm Jazz, and I'm a shopaholic. I bought another crystal. Lately, Etsy has been the death of me. I legit can spend anywhere from like 2 to like 5 hours just shopping on Etsy for anything and everything. I don't need this stuff. Why am I buying it? Because I'm a shopaholic. I bought another crystal and I'm really excited because this one is a chunky one. So how was your day? My day is pretty great. This is the second video I have filmed today, so I'm really tired, but I'm glad to be doing it, you know? Okay. Oh, dang. Okay. So I have a sticker. That's always fun. So, this is a pretty nice box. Look at this. It's packed really nicely. And I'm definitely going to need the razor blade, but I do not want to get up and get it. Oh, okay. Oh, actually, never mind. Oh, there we go. Oh, ooh, okay. So they also included this freebie, and I love free things, especially free crystals. Okay, so here we have like a little amethyst point. Oh my god. This is so cute. I love amethyst. It's one of my favorite. Thank you so much for the little freebie. But we're on to the real thing. Oh my god, you guys. I'm excited. Okay. I'm gonna cry. This thing is so beautiful. So I ordered what's called a Lemurian. Why can't I? Lemurian Quartz. Correct me if I'm saying that wrong, but it's beautiful and it's mine. Okay, look at this. I'm so happy with this. So I think this crystal originally comes from Brazil. Again, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm so happy. Like there's even like a little rainbow. Can you see it? Hold on. Is it gonna pick it up? Like a little rainbow. I love when gemstones have rainbows in them because rainbows are so beautiful. And yeah. So that was my quick unboxing video for my Lemurian Quartz. I always feel like I'm saying it wrong. Alrighty guys, but thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more like videos and pictures up on this big boy, I'm gonna post them on my Instagram account, which if you don't follow me there, follow me there. Like a mosquito, get away. They already bit me like all over my leg. Subscribe to my channel. The button is down below. And you can turn on post notifications too. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you later. Okay, bye! I'm so excited.